Yo, honestly, I wish you guys were here on this couch with me because it is mad comfy. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. So, I quit vlogging for a solid 3 months, kind of without an explanation. And firstly, I want to apologize for that because I kind of just went MIA really without saying anything on any social media platform. Like, there was no announcement, you didn't miss it because there wasn't one. And to be honest, I kind of hoped that no one would notice, which was obviously not the case. But I want to thank so many of you who said that you were missing the vlogs. It honestly meant so much to me because I was kind of in a weird place. Okay, so do you want the good news or the bad news first? I feel like I personally like to start with the bad news. So let's start with that first and then we'll dive into the good news because I have two really good announcements that I'm really excited for today. So essentially the bad news is that I quit vlogging. I ended up in this really unhealthy relationship with vlogging. Not entirely sure how I got there, but I was definitely in a major vlogging funk. I feel like even if you watch the vlogs leading up to when I quit in early December, you can see just like there's just a little less light in my eyes, which sounds kind of depressing, but that's honestly, I was in a weird place. I feel like I had cornered myself into the idea that to be successful in vlogging, it had to be action-packed, it had to be super clickbaity, the thumbnail needed to be clickbaity, and that is just not my vibe. I feel like I played the clickbait game in like 2016 and 17, and that ain't it. That ain't it for me. I just felt myself feeling so negatively and resentful towards vlogging, which is never something you want to feel towards something that used to be a passion. And this is a whole other thing that we can chat about later. The vlogs being so different from the DIY videos were essentially confusing the algorithm in terms of what kind of audience to recommend the different types of videos. So I quit. But the good news is that those 3 months that I wasn't vlogging gave me so much more time and free headspace to really think about how I wanted to allocate my time and my energy. I did a ton of brainstorming, and not only did I come up with just like a bunch of YouTube series ideas that I'm so excited for that are coming at you super soon, but along with those brainstorming and decision-making sessions, I am here to announce that Moose, your tippy tappies are too loud! Hi, Bubba. Are you here for the announcement? Great timing. Hi, Bubba. Come here, you want up? Oh God, my giant child! My giant furry child! Oh, okay, just here to slumber, got it. Where were we? Okay, so I'm super excited to announce that I officially have a vlog channel! Moose, this is when you're supposed to be excited. You're supposed to go woo! 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 Announcement number 2. After having a little bit of that vlog break, I had some extra time to take some more meetings and organize some new projects. I'm super stoked to announce that I'm going to be launching a podcast this spring! Wow! Wow! I have had 0 caffeine this morning. That's all I'm gonna say re-podcast for now, but I can't wait to tell you guys who the co-host is going to be doing the podcast with me every week. I'm gonna keep that a surprise for now. Fingers crossed within the next few months we will be live with our first podcast episode. When your 35-pound dog thinks that he is a lap dog. Oh, Bubba. Back to vlog channel things. I actually already have a few videos up on the vlog channel now. I'll leave it linked in the down bar below, but youtube.com/laurDIY vlogs. It is so crazy to be at 0 subscribers. Obviously, I won't be at 0 right now when you're watching this, but like posting my first vlog, I had 0, like 0, none. I haven't made a new channel in probably 6 years, and it was kind of terrifying. In the first vlog on the channel, I really get into the details of why I'm switching over and why I'm on a new channel instead of my old vlog channel. A place where I can share with you guys what's actually going on in my life. I feel like when you start diving too much into analytics and views and stuff, it can get really toxic. This channel is just like a no pressure, chill spot for me to upload vlogs and share with you guys what's going on in my life. Probably on a weekly basis, 1 to 2 times a week is what I'm hoping for, but no set upload day. I'm never gonna force myself to vlog, which I think in turn is gonna make me want to vlog so much more. I've been vlogging nonstop the past 3 3 days and it's been so much fun. So yeah, go subscribe to the new vlog channel, get excited for the podcast, go watch some of the new vlogs. All vlogs will be on the vlog channel moving forward, and I'll still be doing my Sunday uploads and maybe even sometimes random Wednesday uploads. I'm so excited and I feel so refreshed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it this far in the video, it means so much to me. I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday DIY and whenever on the vlog channel. Bye guys, love you. What was I gotta hit record? I gotta hit record. Huh.